Understanding crunch time, a key phrase in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a very popular English phrase, crunch time. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a language enthusiast, understanding this phrase will definitely add value to your English communication skills. Let's dive in. Crunch time refers to a period when the pressure to succeed is high, and the time to accomplish something is limited. It's often used in situations where a deadline is approaching, and there's a lot to be done. Think of it like the last few minutes of a close basketball game, where every second and every move counts. That's crunch time. The phrase, crunch time, likely originated from the world of sports, where critical moments determine the outcome of a game. Over time, it has been adopted into general usage to describe any high-stakes, time-sensitive situation. The word, crunch, here symbolizes the pressure or stress associated with such crucial periods. Let's look at some examples of how crunch time is used. In academics, it's crunch time for students as final exams approach. In business, with the project deadline tomorrow, it's crunch time at the office. Personal projects, I have 2 weeks to plan the event, so it's crunch time for me. Understanding how and when to use this phrase will make your English sound more natural and fluent. While understanding the phrase is important, it's also useful to know how to handle crunch time situations. 1. Prioritize tasks. Focus on what's most important. 2. Stay calm. Stress can be a motivator, but don't let it overwhelm you. 3. Effective time management. Use your time wisely to maximize productivity. And that's a wrap on crunch time. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, mastering a language is all about learning one phrase at a time. Until our next video, keep practicing, and see you soon.